Hello from the High Point Public Library. This is Cooking It Up,
a cooking program for tweens.
The recipe we are doing today is peaches and cinnamon overnight oatmeal.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 peaches, 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups of almond milk, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Using the knife and cutting board, slice the peaches. Place the peaches in the mixing bowl. Add oats, almond milk, cinnamon, and maple syrup to the bowl and mix to combine. Spoon the mixture evenly into the 4 containers and cover with lids. Place in the fridge overnight. Enjoy for breakfast the next day.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for our next Cooking It Up episode when we make strawberry avocado smoothies.